Hello everyone, welcome again to Miss Emily's Minecraft. Today we are going to be looking at redstone and what I have been able to do in these past 5 weeks of learning Minecraft with some redstone devices. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is leave, and last week I noticed that when I made the teleportation portal I could see directly to my house, so I thought it would be neat to make a back door. But I didn't want anybody to get into the back door, so I made it private. These two are sticky pistons. There are a couple of sticky pistons on the other side. Redstone torches here and here. A button here. Redstone dust up here. And the same over here. Redstone dust up here. So that when I touch this button, it gives me a passage. And when I touch this button, it closes the passage. Alright, so last week there were a set of stairs here, and we talked about the teleportation portal. Well, I closed the stairs off, and I put stairs here, and I made an elevator shaft to go up to what I've created as a third floor. Currently, though, the elevator shaft does not work, and I've got to figure out where in the circuitry I have gone wrong. The left side works, the right side doesn't, and it's not going to carry me up to the third floor. So this week, I'm not going to show you what's on the third floor. I'm also apparently needing another minecart. Alright, so let's go down to the second floor, or the elevator lobby. Here we go. This is the lobby on the second floor. And what I need is to go down to the first floor. Alright, this is a way of doing really simple redstone device. You've got a redstone block there, and then you put a redstone lamp on top of it, and the redstone lamp glows. If it did not have redstone beneath it, it would look like that. I actually prefer the sea lights. Alright, I've done a lot with this back area. This is the mechanism, by the way, for the railway. I've done a lot with this back area. One is to create a dressing room and some bathrooms, but there is no redstone there. And since this tutorial today is all about redstone, well, we're only looking for the redstone devices I've created. Now, one of the rooms I have is a music room. Okay, so these are note blocks, and when you put them on top of various blocks like sand, gravel, stone, wood, they make different sounds. So listen closely. So if you had a music class, you might be able to use that to do various compositions. The next redstone device that I created was an automatic bamboo shooter. Let's see if we can watch it go, because those plants are getting high. Maybe not. While I discuss it, maybe it'll go. So basically, you've got a row of bamboo. Then beyond that, on a level above it, you've got, yep, there it goes. You've got dirt, and then on top of the dirt, you've got pistons, not sticky pistons this time, regular pistons. And then you've got observers facing this way so they can observe the bamboo when it grows. When it cuts it off, it flows into the water, and there is a hopper at the end of the water, and which leads into this chest. And you can see that my bamboo farm is growing. Is just filling up that chest, which is nice if I want paper. I may do the same thing with this area of sugarcane. Just haven't decided, had the time to do it yet. Let's see. Okay, so last week I think you guys rode in my minecart train. And basically those two carts just push each other to go back and forth. That was powered with redstone blocks, the same way that the railway within the school is. This is powered with redstone levers, but basically the only reason I used it was to put the sides down so that it could kind of look like a water cooler. You can press the button. And I was hoping when I built it the water would come out because there's water behind it, but that didn't work. There are levers on the opposite side of this block and that block over there to put the trapdoors down, but otherwise it's not a really interesting redstone device. Alright, and the nether portal. So I built a house around the nether portal. Hello, Beowulf. And outside there should be no way of coming here. Because there's no way of getting to my door unless you cross through successfully through a barrage of arrows and potions and snowballs. And so the way I did that, Beowulf. The way I did that is laid out some arrows, and then the repeater box repeats cloning. And then it should put whatever's in there, but it did not. And I don't know why. So I have to have that fixed. But it put the arrow here, and there. And anyway, it consistently does that. So there's a layer of redstone These are, by the way, dispensers. Okay. And that's all I've got for you. So that's what I've learned in 5 weeks. Mostly it's just the tool of redstone, not necessarily the circuitry, as you saw with the elevator. My circuitry skills just really aren't there yet. So let's go ahead and go home. We'll see you next time.